Okay. Show me.
Hi there guys, welcome to the TransTEC channel, thank you very much for tuning in. And this is a follow-up video on the TransTEC Kobe 140 FPV quadcopter. I did a review on this quadcopter a couple of days ago. And I really like this quadcopter. Actually, I recommend it, especially for beginners. If you are looking for a first brushless FPV quadcopter, I think this is an excellent option. Partly because of them prop guards. Makes things a little safer, obviously. However, I felt like changing it up a little, and this is what it looks like now. Yeah. That's a little different, isn't it? Especially the props, of course, but you also see that I have removed them prop guards. Yeah, I wanted to see if it would be a lot nimbler like this. I've also changed out the propellers. The original propellers that came with the quadcopter are 30-30 propellers. So the pitch isn't all that aggressive. That combined with the motor's kV not being all that high. Yeah, I felt like using different propellers. These are 30-42. So quite a bit more aggressive. Well, actually let's cut right to an FPV flight I did with this quadcopter. I ran 4 packs through the quadcopter in this setup to also check if the electronics would hold up, and well, it's still fine. But you also see I have a little bit of prop wash oscillation in one descent, but it isn't horrible. I only saw it in one descent. So, but it is a lot more peppy, this quadcopter. It might be a little hard to see for you because, well, it's hard to judge speed in FPV footage, I think. Let me see, one other thing I found was that I have to raise the angle of the camera a little as well to be able to fly a little faster. But yeah, it is a lot more peppy. It took me, well, approximately half a second of punch to get over trees and such. So, again, I'm very much impressed with this quadcopter. Well, impressed. I very much like this quadcopter. It's a nice beginner as it comes stock with them prop guards. But if you change it up a little, remove the prop guards and use some different propellers. The propellers, by the way, I have a link to in the description. And these are the propellers from the Gap RC MX3. So yeah. I think these propellers are a bit more durable as well, by the way. But yeah, I had a lot of fun with this quad in this setup. A very capable quadcopter like this. So yeah, I'm not gonna make this video too long. I'll leave you with the flight. But I thought I'd give you an update on this TransTEC Kobe 140. Catch you on the next video. Bye bye.